Today, we're diving into a common question among delivery drivers. Do you get more orders with DoorDash's Red Card? It's a query that sparks a lot of discussion, so let's get into the details to understand it fully. First off, for those unfamiliar, the DoorDash Red Card is a special payment card that drivers use to pay for certain orders at the point of sale. It's an interesting aspect of the DoorDash delivery ecosystem that not all orders require its use. The question of whether having a Red Card leads to more orders is nuanced. To answer it, let's break down how orders are allocated. DoorDash uses an algorithm that considers various factors such as your location, the order volume, and your acceptance rate. Having a Red Card doesn't directly increase the number of orders you'll be offered by the system. However, it does make you eligible to receive a broader range of orders, including those that require a Red Card payment at pickup. This means that while the card itself doesn't guarantee more orders, it gives you access to orders that you wouldn't be able to accept otherwise. This access can be crucial during slower delivery times. When there are fewer orders to go around, being able to accept those that require a Red Card might make the difference between staying busy and waiting idly for the next opportunity. It's also worth considering the types of orders that typically require a Red Card. These might be from restaurants that don't have a pre-established payment partnership with DoorDash. Such orders could potentially tip higher or involve larger orders, although this can vary widely and isn't a guaranteed outcome. In conclusion, while the DoorDash Red Card doesn't directly mean you'll get more orders in the sheer numerical sense, it does broaden the pool of orders you're eligible to receive. It's about access rather than volume. Having a Red Card makes you a more versatile and thus potentially more valuable driver to the DoorDash platform. Thank you for watching. In the dynamic world of food delivery, understanding the tools and rules that shape your work can help you make the most of your time on the road. Whether you're considering DoorDash as your next gig, or you're a seasoned driver looking to maximize your earnings, consider how the Red Card can fit into your strategy. Keep on delivering and drive safely.